In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an underline from links on Squarespace. Now, it's actually very simple to do, but make sure you pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct and you end up doing it. So let's get right into this. The first thing we want to do is go ahead onto our Squarespace site and make sure we're in the editor like this. Now, you'll know you're in the editor because you'll be able to add blocks and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm actually going to add a block, and I'm going to add myself a text block. And I'm going to bring it down here where we can see it better. Now I'm going to type something in here. I'm going to say, hello, easy. So we've got this here, and now I'm going to click on this. I'm going to highlight the bit I want to have a hyperlink on, and then I'm going to click on this button here. So now we're going to type in a URL. So I'm just going to put youtube.com. I'm going to hit apply, and you can see it's now underlined. Now, we want to remove the underline from this, and it's very easy to do. So we're going to go ahead and double click on this. We're going to click this little edit tool here. And then if you've tried to, click on these buttons here, you'll quickly realize that you can't actually remove the underline with any of these tools here. Instead, what we need to do is we need to go to this little lightning bolt icon here. And then in here, we're going to type in remove underline. I'm going to hit enter. And for some reason that has gone crazy. So I'm going to undo that. And I'm going to try it again. Remove underline from text. So for those two, it didn't actually work. I'm going to try again. So I'm going to go to the same process. Type remove underline. And let's see if this one works. Okay, there we go. So because I think I hadn't highlighted it properly or something before, it didn't work. But now you can see I just did it there, and as you can see, it's now bold. It no longer has an underline underneath it, but it's still got the link on it. So it's good to go. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.